On today's episode of Camp Griddlemore, we have the brand new Blackstone portable OTG air fryer in the house, and we are going to use it. So let's make footlong franks with feta fries. Let's get camping and let's get cooking. Today we are utilizing Blackstone's new propane chain system. So we are using our 14-inch griddle with side burner, and we've got that connected to our portable air fryer using that propane chain connector hose. If you watched last week's episode, we did a complete overview of the entire system. Let's get started by firing up our side burner to medium heat, and we're going to use the skillet for the peppers and onions, and then we're going to fire up our 14-inch griddle also to medium heat or medium high heat. We're going to do our hot dogs there and toast our buns, and then let's get our air fryer started. We're going to set it to 400 degrees. We're going to put the timer on 10 minutes, and then it's going to kick into preheat mode after it lights. It'll let us know once it's ready to go, and then we'll put our french fries in there and get them cranking. Now let's head back over to our griddle and put down a little bit of this high heat olive oil into the skillet and get our peppers and onions sizzling. And then we're going to put down 2 of our Jersey made griddle franks that Sean loves so much. We'll get those coasting. And then once 5 minutes is up, we're going to go back to the air fryer, open it up. Actually, we're going to hit pause first on the timer. That's an important step. Then we're going to pull out the fries and give them a shake so that they crisp up nice and evenly. We'll put those right back in, and the timer will kick in again. While the french fries finish up in the air fryer, let's go back over and turn our dogs over a little bit. Let's get our buns toasted, and then we can start to assemble these foot-long franks by adding our peppers and onions and adding some mustard, and these are ready to go. So now let's head over and pull out our french fries and complete our summer lunch. Let's not forget to use some whiskey burger seasoning a la Jess Farron, my friend who recommended using these on french fries. And then let's crumble up some fetas on the fries and put a little bit of ketchup on the side, and we are ready to eat. Foot-long franks with feta fries, compliments of the Blackstone portable air fryer. Let's dive in and take a bite of both. I feel like I should be at like a ball game right now, watching the Yankees win. Very good. Very good with the peppers and onions. Love the spicy brown mustard. Bun is toasted to perfection. Came out great. Hot dog is tasting really good.
You really couldn't have picked a better hot dog, like Jersey Shore style griddle franks.
Jersey Shore style griddle franks, I'm gonna be buying them every month from Wegmans. Those look so good.
It's like literally perfect. We're cooking them on the griddle. We're in the Jersey Shore.
And what makes them a griddle frank?
I don't know.
I could cook these on the grill too, but they came out great on the griddle. One more bite before we dive into the feta fries. Let's dive into the feta fries with a little dip of ketchup, and we're tasting and testing for crispness. I have been doing burgers and dogs at the campground for over a decade, but I've never made french fries at the campground. Now the portable air fryer is gonna make that possible, and I know my kids are gonna be asking for them. These came out great. They are super crispy, super tasty. The feta adds a really nice element of saltiness and creaminess. Super, super delicious on the french fries with just a little touch of the ketchup. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's episode of Camp Griddlemore. I am so pumped up to get to use this propane chain system, these Blackstone griddles with the portable air fryers, the single burner camp stove. Such an incredible system to be able to tie all these things together and just use one tank of propane. I'm so excited for all of the opportunities this is going to open up for camp cooking for me this summer. So we'll see you next week right here at Camp Griddlemore, and thank you again for joining us.